Morning friends. In last lecture we have discussed about the syllabus of standard 11 and standard 12 of math subject. Now we are going for the first chapter of standard 11, which is sets. It is quite easy chapter and you have learned this chapter in standard 9. Okay. Now first of all, the first question is, what is set? What is set? The answer of this question is a collection of well-defined objects. A collection of well-defined. I am underlining this word, well-defined objects. This word is very important for us. Well-defined objects. Okay. Now, what do you mean by well-defined objects? So the well-defined objects means, if I am asking the question, suppose I am taking the question, prime numbers less than 10. Prime numbers less than 10. So you know that the prime numbers which are less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Total 4 prime numbers are there which are less than 10. If I am giving the answer of this question, then the answer will be 2, 3, 5 and 7. Suppose I am asking the owner of this school, he also say that the answer is 2, 3, 5 and 7. If I am asking this question to any of the maths professor of any institute, he or she will give the answer which is 2, 3, 5 and 7 only. If I am asking to you students of your class, of any other class, they will also say that the answer of prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. See here. Here there are different persons or different peoples are there. But the answer of all the peoples, all the persons is same. That means this collection of objects is well defined. The collection of objects is well defined. The collection of prime numbers less than 10 which are well defined. That means it is a set. Clear? It is a set. Now I am taking some more example. Suppose I am asking the question, the collection of best prime ministers of India. The collection of best prime ministers of India. Then the answer for the different persons will be different. Suppose I am giving the answer, according to me, the Narendra Modi and Rajiv Gandhi are the best prime ministers of India. Okay. Now I am asking this question to your parents. I am asking the question to your parents or to your colleagues. Then the answer may be different, like Jawaharlal Nehru and Rajiv Gandhi. Some people say that only Narendra Modi. Some people say that Narendra Modi as well as Jawaharlal Nehru as well as Morarji Desai. Okay, there are different answers by different persons. Therefore, we cannot say that the best prime ministers of India is well defined objects. It is not well defined. Clear? The best, good. These are the different words or different definitions according to different people. Suppose I am asking the question, the best cricketers in India. So there are different answers of different peoples. Suppose I am giving the answer MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, and Rohit Sharma. Suppose I am asking to you, then some of you say that Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Some of you say that Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, and Sachin Tendulkar. Now see here, best cricketers, the best word is not well defined. Okay, the definition of best according to me, it is differ, according to other people it is also differ. Therefore it is not well defined collection of objects, therefore it is not a set. Clear? Now we are going for the exercise 1.1. In the exercise 1.1, question number 1 is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Means you have to give the reason. You have to give the reason of your answer. And now the important topic or important for set is, it is denoted. Suppose some questions are like sets, prime numbers less than 10, which is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then how can we denote it? That it is denoted as capital letters of A, B, C, D, okay, X, Y, Z, up to X, Y, Z, total 26 letters are there. Or you can represent by some special characters like alpha, beta, gamma. There are different phi. There are different special characters are there. You can use these different characters also for denotation of set. Okay. Now the question number 1, which of the following are sets, and justify your answer. Exercise 1.1, question number 1 is there. The first question, the collection of all the months, of year beginning with the letter J. So we know that the collection of all months of year beginning with J are January, June and July. There are 3 months starting with or beginning with letter J in 12 months. Okay, if I am asking this question to different person, then the answer will be same for this question. The answer is January, June and July. If I am asking this question to you, then you can also say that January, June and July. Okay, if I am asking this question to any prime ministers of any country, then the answer will be January, June and July. That means this answer will not differ for person to person. That means the collection of all the months of year beginning with the letter J, which are January, June and July, is a well defined. Okay, it's a well defined. Therefore, we can say that it is a set. So the answer, you have to justify the answer. Therefore, you have to give the reason for the answer. The months of year beginning with letter J are, we know that January, June and July. So it is a set. Clear? You have to give the reason. Now, what is question number 2? The question number 2 is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Now, 10 most talented, the word most talented writers. According to me, the most talented writers are Chetan Bhagat, Premanand Munshi. Okay, I am asking this question to different people. then the answer will differ. Then the answer will differ. Suppose he or she say that only Chetan Bhagat is the most talented writer in the India, or the other people say that Uma Shankar Joshi and Premanand Munshi are the best writers or most talented writers in India. The answer will be different for the different peoples. Therefore, it is not well defined collection of objects. It is not well defined collection of objects. Therefore, we can say that it is not a set. Now, you have to give the answer here. Most talented writers is differ by each people. Most talented writers is differ by each people, so it is not a set. This is the answer with proper reason. Okay. Now the question number 3. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. 11 best cricket batsmen. It is important word here. Best cricket batsmen according to me. There are MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Sachin Tendulkar, Gilchrist, Pollard. They are 11, suppose. According to other person, they will not same for me. Okay? According to other person, the answer of the other person is not same as I say. Okay? Therefore, we can say that best cricket batsmen are different for different peoples. Therefore, it is not a set. Here, best cricket batsmen are differ for each person. For each person, this is the reason. So, it is not a set. So, it is not a set. Simple question. Now, question number 4. The collection of all boys in your class. Suppose total strength of your class will be 60. In your class, 30 girls are there and 30 boys are there. Now, I am asking the question, the collection of all boys in your class. If I am writing the names of all 30 boys in your class present, therefore, it is a collection of boys in your class. Now, I am asking this question to your class teacher. Then he or she will give the answer same as I written, same as I said. Okay? The answer of your class teacher and my answer also same. If I am asking this question to any of the girl of your class, then the answer is same as we say. Okay? If I am asking this question to your parents, then the answer will also same for your parents, because 30 boys in this class are well defined. Okay? Therefore, we can say that it is a set. You have to write the reason for this and give the answer. It is set or not. So this is a set. Okay? Clear? So this is a set. Now, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. All natural numbers less than 100. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 96, 97, 98 and 99. Less than 100. That means 99 is the last. मतलब 1 to 99 all natural numbers are there. This is the answer according to me. If I am asking this question to any of the people living in the world, the answer will be same for all the people. Therefore, it is a collection of objects which are well defined. We which are well defined. Therefore, we can say that it is a set. Clear? It is a set. Now, we are going for the question number 6. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is the writer, and all the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. If I am listing all the novels written by the Munshi Premchand, then suppose it is 7. Okay, and names, I don't know name, but the names are in Google. You can ask for Google. The collection or list of these 7 novels are there. Now, if I am asking this question to the Premanand Munshi, then he will also say that same list. If I am asking this question to the Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, then he also say that the 7. Okay, if he or we see not know the all the list, then he can Google it and search it. Then they will say that I am searching with Google, the answer will be same. If I am searching with Wikipedia, their answer will be same. If I am searching with Opera, then it is the answer which are same. Therefore, we can say that the collection of novels written by Premchand Munshi is well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Therefore, it is a set. Okay? Suppose in this question, based novels written by the writer Premchand Munshi, then it is not a set, because according to me, based are others, and according to different peoples, the based of Premchand Munshi which will differ. Okay, so the word based, good is most important for the sets. Okay, if the based is given, then it is not well defined, because according to person, the definition of based will differ. Okay, so next question number 7. The collection of all even integers. The collection of all even integers. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, up to infinite. If I am asking this question to any of the people in the world, the answer will be same. Therefore, it is the collection of well-defined objects. Therefore, we can say that the collection of all even integers is a set. Clear? It is a set. Now, question number 8. The collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. Suppose one student will count the questions in this chapter. Then the answer will, suppose the answer will 53 questions in this chapter. If other student also count these questions, it is 53 for him or her. Now I am counting the number of questions in this chapter, it is also 53. Therefore, the collections of all questions in this chapter is well-defined collection of objects. Therefore, it is a set. It is well-defined. Okay? Now, question number 9. A collection of most dangerous animal of the world. A collection of most dangerous animal of the world. વર્લ્ડ માં ઘણા બધા ડેન્જરસ એનિમલ્સ છે. Tiger, lion, dogs. Some dogs are dangerous for us. Okay? According to me, tigers, lions and dogs. Suppose I am asking this question to your parents, then the answer will differ, like leopard, lions and tigers. Okay, so answer will different for different peoples. Therefore, the collection of most dangerous, the word is important here, is most dangerous. The definition of most dangerous is not well defined. Okay, different people say most dangerous. Suppose I am saying that dog is most dangerous. Some people say that my dog is not most dangerous. Okay, therefore it is not a collection of well defined objects. Therefore, it is not a set. Clear? Here we have discussed what is set and the definition of set, the collection of well-defined objects. Now, I am giving total 5 questions in your self-practice. You have to write the answers of these 5 questions, if they are set or not, and justify your answer with proper reason. The 5 questions are: first, the collection of all states of India. The collection of all states of India. This is first. Now, second one, the collection of first 5 prime ministers of India. First 5 prime ministers of India. Okay. Third one, the collection of best cricketer of India. The collection of best cricketer of India. Fourth one, the collection of all prime numbers. The collection of all prime numbers. Fifth one, the collection of hard chapters in subject maths. The collection of hard chapters in maths subject. Okay? There are 5 questions. You have to write the answer of these 5 questions, and you have to send the notes of this topic, of this lecture, to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given here. Note down my WhatsApp number: 9428485693. My name is Dheeraj Patel. I am your maths teacher. Okay? Clear? This is my WhatsApp number. You have to WhatsApp the notes of this topic. Okay? So friends, હવે થોડુંક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એનાઉન્સમેન્ટ ફોર યુ. આપણે આ ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દીધું. આ ચેપ્ટર્સમાં ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કોન્સેપ્ટ સમજી બી લીધો. હવે આ ચેપ્ટર્સની જોડે જોડે એક્સરસાઇઝ તમારી ટેક્સ્ટબુકની સોલ્વ થશે, એની જોડે જોડે આપણે જેડબલઈ મેઇન્સની પ્રિપરેશન પણ સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દઈશું. ઓકે, એટલે હું તમને ટોપિક્સની જોડે જોડે જ જેડબલઈ મેઇન્સના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ જોડે જોડે સમજાવતો જઈશ અને પ્રોપરલી આપણે એની નોટ્સ બી બનાવતા જઈશું. ઓકે, એક આ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એનાઉન્સમેન્ટ. બીજું એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એનાઉન્સમેન્ટ છે, તમારી બોર્ડની એક્ઝામ એટલે કે 12મા ધોરણની બોર્ડની એક્ઝામ ફેબ્રુઆરી 2022માં આવશે. આ ફાઇનલ છે. આ વર્ષ માટે અલગ સિચ્યુએશન છે, પણ તમારા માટે તો શ્યોર છીએ આપણે કે ફેબ્રુઆરી 2022માં આવશે. હવે જો ફેબ્રુઆરી 2022માં આપણી બોર્ડની એક્ઝામ્સ આવતી હોય, બરાબર, તો આપણે પ્રોપરલી પ્લાનિંગ કરીને 11th અને 12th સાયન્સને એ રીતે મેનેજ કરવું પડે કે જેથી આપણે બોર્ડમાં સારો સ્કોર કરી શકીએ, મેક્સિમમ રિવિઝન અને પ્રેક્ટિસનો ટાઈમ મળી રહે, તો જ સારું રિઝલ્ટ મળશે. તો એની માટે બહુ સારું આયોજન છે કે આપણો 11th નો સિલેબસ જાન્યુઆરી એન્ડ કાં તો ફેબ્રુઆરીના સ્ટાર્ટિંગ સુધીમાં પતી જાય તો તમારી 11th ની એક્ઝામ કમ્પ્લીટ કરી ફેબ્રુઆરીમાં અને ફેબ્રુઆરીના હાફ ડેઝમાં જ આપણે 12th સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દઈએ. જો આપણે 15 ફેબ્રુઆરીની એપ્રોક્સિમેટ જો 12th સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દઈએ તો એક આખું વર્ષ તમને ટોટલ 360 ડેઝ, એપ્રોક્સિમેટ 360 ડેઝ જેવો ટાઈમ આપણને 12th માટે મળી અને એ આપણા માટે બેનિફિશિયલ છે. ઓકે, તો આપણે ટ્રાય એવો કરીશું કે 11th પ્રોપરલી બને એટલું જલ્દીથી પતી જાય. તો તમારો સાથ સહકાર પણ જોઈશે. ધારો કે આજે ચેપ્ટર્સ ચાલે છે, રનિંગ છે, તો એની નોટ્સ, એનું પ્રિપેરેશન તમારે આજે જ કરી દેવું પડશે. ડિલે કરશો તો નહીં ચાલે, નહીં મજા આવે, બરાબર. અને તમારે આ નોટ્સ આ નંબર પર મોકલવાની છે. ક્લિયર? બીજી એક વસ્તુ, હવે મેઇન વસ્તુ કે તમને આ ચેપ્ટર ચાલતું હશે, જેડબલઈ આપણે કરતા હોઈશું, તો ઘણી બધી બુક્સ તમે રિફર કરતા હોય તો તમને ઘણા બધા ડાઉટ્સ આવી શકે છે. તો ડાઉટ સોલ્વિંગ્સ માટે આપણે એક મસ્ત પ્લાનિંગ કરેલું છે કે એક વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપ આપણે ક્રિએટ કરી દઈશું. તમે જેટલા બી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છો બધાનો એક વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપ ક્રિએટ થઈ જશે. એ વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપમાં હું તમને ઝૂમ નામની એપ્લિકેશનની મીટિંગ માટેની લિંક મોકલી દઈશ. એ લિંક પર તમે ક્લિક કરીને ઝૂમ એપ્લિકેશન પર વિડિયો કોન્ફરન્સિંગથી આપણે એકબીજા જોડે પર્સનલ ડાઉટ સોલ્વિંગ સેશન્સ કરી શકીશું. પર્સનલ ડાઉટ સોલ્વિંગ સેશન્સમાં તમારા જે તે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ને પ્રોપરલી ન્યાય આપવાનો અમે ટ્રાય કરીશું. ઓકે, તો તમારા ડાઉટ સોલ્વિંગ્સ માટે આપણે લાઈવ પર્સન ટુ પર્સન મળીશું. અને ઝૂમ એપ્લિકેશન દરેકે ઇન્સ્ટોલ કરી દેવાની, પ્લે સ્ટોર પર અવેલેબલ છે, બરાબર. વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપ અમે ક્રિએટ કરી દઈશું. એ ગ્રુપમાં તમને લિંક નાખીને તમારી જોડે પર્સનલ ડિસ્કશન કરી દઈશું. ક્લિયર?